hope everybody's taking care and being blessed today. Today I'm going to try a new product. It is called Neti Pod. They said it's really good for when you have sinus infections, mucus, what was it, allergies, different things like that. I seen a girl post it, so I decided to try it. First, make sure that you read the back of the box, all the back of the box, and the pamphlet that comes inside of it. I was told it's best to be able to use warm water, so I have warm distilled water inside of here. And I'm going to go ahead and add the packet. Here we go. I'm going to take the lid off and add the packet. And I'll be back. And again, make sure it's warm water. Just rip it open and just pour it right inside. Okay? And first and foremost, I'm going to let you know I hate putting things in my ears. I hate putting things in my nose. So we'll see how this goes because I don't want to feel like I'm drowning. But I am one of them ones that feel like I'm going to be drowning when I put things in my nose. But I wanted to try this because they claim that it's really good. And I was like, you know what? If it's good, let's try it. Okay, what I did was went ahead and closed it tightly. And they said, hold the nozzle and just kind of shake it up so the product can get inside. And I'm just going to demonstrate this because I'm not going to let you guys see it because I think it's going to be gross and disgusting. But what they said is just hold this up to your nose, tilt it like this over the sink, and just let it just pour out. And then once you get finished with that side, you do the other side. And again, like I said, read the directions and let's see how it goes. And quick tip, do it in your bathroom, okay? Okay, I just done it wrong. It said tilt your head. Make sure you tilt your head first and then pour. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, y'all, but I'm like drowning here. It said turn your head. I'm turning my head. It is not coming out. So, let's try it one more time. And I think it'd be much easier if it didn't, the spout didn't have the water come out so fast. I think it should have like some kind of little mechanism right here. So when you have your head tilted, then you can be able to make it come out. Cause right now I'm gonna say it's a no. Let's try it one more time. Okay, so it's not working. So what I'm gonna do is get on the video that I see if I'm doing it correctly and come back. So I wanted to come back. You see how I take my lipstick off. I can truly say it didn't work for me. And I'm not going to say it didn't work for nobody, but I wind up going to the video, did exactly what they said, and unfortunately it did not come out on the other side. I don't know if you hear it sounds, you know, the way that it sounds. I'm going to go in and blow my nose again because I blew it a couple times. I can say that putting the actual product inside of your nose, just it getting in there, even though it didn't do like pour to the other side, I do feel like it's more open. And I think that's because, you know, anytime you get water in your nose, it makes your nose, you know what it do, and you got to blow it. So I think that's why it is, it will work as of being able to blow your nose and get your mucus out that way. But again, I didn't get it to be able to pour through the other side, so it probably not going all up in the mucus brain and everything like they were saying. But I do feel it opened it up a little bit. My nose, not my chest, which I don't know if it's supposed to open up your chest anyway. But I'm gonna say if you want to try it a couple times. Maybe it may be better, but me going out and purchasing this, I probably would say no. I would just say just blow your nose like normal. Use your Vicks inhaler, and that probably will work. Sorry, just wanted to be honest. I gave it one more go. It don't work. And I feel like it's salt water. It tastes like salt water. It don't work. I just say save your money. Then I think about it, it's kind of disgusting how you got to put your nose up here and then you got to keep this, and it just seemed unsanitary to me. You hear how it actually made me more congestion. So I'm going to try to blow my nose and see how it go. You know, I always like to come to you guys with different things. But again, if it worked for you, so happy for you. But me, I'm going to say it's a no-go. Bye, guys. 5 minutes later. Try it again. I want to come back and let you know it can work. Like, once you blow your nose, I do feel like it got my nose and membrane moving, but I don't feel like once I blew it that it all came out. Now I feel like I got a cold. I don't know, guys. Just try it and see. And you let me know in the comments what you think. Okay, it's me again. It has been about 20 minutes later. You know what? I can truly say I do feel that it has cleaned my nose. One thing I want to focus on though, y'all, is trying to, once you bend your nose, don't focus on it trying to come through the other side. Because if you focus on it coming through the other side, you probably would say it don't work like I did. What I would do is just pour it and then get as much, just a little bit in there. And then once you get a little bit in there, once you do that, it's going to go to the back kind of anyway. Not a lot, not to be drowning or feel bad. It was not a bad feeling, but I just couldn't get it to go to the other side, and I felt like it didn't work. But all you got to do is do the other side again, let it sit, and then blow your nose, and I do feel a little bit of relief. So if you are thinking about trying it, I say just try it. But if you're focusing on it going through the other nose, nostril, pouring out the water, I didn't get that. But I still feel something. Okay?